Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing the 5 steps to becoming a millionaire. Step 1. Set a clear financial goal. This means figuring out exactly how much money you want to make and setting a specific deadline for when you want to reach that goal. Step 2. Create a plan. Once you have your goal, it's time to create a plan of action to reach it. This should include things like budgeting, saving, and investing. Step 3. Invest in yourself. In order to become a millionaire, you need to be constantly learning and growing. This means taking the time to learn new skills and staying up to date on the latest trends in your industry. Step 4. Take calculated risks. Millionaires aren't afraid to take risks, but they make sure they are calculated risks. This means only investing in opportunities that have a high potential for success. Step 5. Stay disciplined and consistent. Becoming a millionaire takes time and effort, and it won't happen overnight. Stay disciplined and consistent in your efforts, and you will reach your goal. Thanks for watching. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not an easy task, but with the right mindset, goal setting, and plan of action, you can do it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.